Hi, I'm Varnaz. Welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to be attempting something really difficult. I've tried it just once before, and each time it'll feel like it's something new because it's tough to make. So today I'm going to show you how to make literally zero carb sushi rolls. I'm finding it unbelievable as I'm saying it to you because I don't know whether I'm going to be successful making them, but what the hell, I'm going to try anyway. So here's to a great new recipe called no carb sushi rolls. Even sushi is now a reality for all of us on the low carb and keto way of life. So let's get cooking. So here are the things you need. My filling is going to be salmon, cucumbers and avocados for today. You need a sharp knife. Very important. Next we have the nori sheets and the wasabi paste. I have it in a tube. The sushi mat, I've put it into a Ziploc bag. This is a great pointer so that when you're making them, it doesn't slip and you can keep it in that bag for good. Next we need some cream cheese. Today I'm going to be using Philadelphia cream cheese, but any cream cheese will do. Here we have our cauliflower rice. For those who don't know what that is, you have to grate a raw cauliflower and put it in the microwave for about 5 to 7 minutes to make it soft. That becomes your cauliflower rice. So let's get started. We start by taking the cauliflower rice, which is I've taken about 2 to 2.5 cups, and I'm adding the cream cheese to it. Just mix it in. I want to tell you all that the cream cheese mixed into the cooked cauliflower rice gives the feeling of sticky rice. The idea of adding cream cheese to the cauliflower is to give it that same texture like sticky rice, such that when you put it on your nori sheets, it will work exactly like sticky rice. It's absolutely amazing. So this is what it looks like when it's all mixed up with the cream cheese. Okay, so now we take the mat, which is in the Ziploc bag. There are two sides to the nori sheet. Let the shiny side be down and the rough side facing you. Now take your cauliflower rice, which is added with cream cheese, and start pressing it down onto your nori sheet. You'll see how simple actually this turns out to handle on the nori sheet. It's much easier to handle this than the actual sushi rice. The cream cheese keeps it nice and bound together, so you have no problems in just pressing it down. Press it down as equal as you can, right till the corners, and leave a little bit, like I've left at the top, empty, because this is the kind of roll. The edges being empty will help when you are rolling it, that it shuts and binds your edges together to give you that perfect roll. So now that you have your rice, cauliflower rice all set out and pat it down right to the corners, leaving a little top. This is what it looks like. Sorry. Now's the time for the fillings. I'm starting with the cucumbers. Put it somewhere in the center, and you can put a good amount. Don't be scared of how much am I putting or am I putting it right. They just need to be packed in. Next, I'm taking my sushi, and you put that in a line. All this creates some beautiful colors. Just see, you just put it down the line, and now I'm taking the avocado and placing them in front of the cucumbers. You can place them anywhere. You can place them behind the sushi, on top, anywhere. It doesn't matter. It's good to have a little depth. And now comes the part of rolling. Now just watch what I do. The first roll, you take over all the filling and tuck it in. If you get this first step right, the rest is going to be a breeze. Now pull back the sheet. Don't worry if a little bit is sticking out. Now take it and roll it again right to the edge. That's it actually. Just 2 steps. Press it down a bit, and never mind if a bit has leaked out from the sides. Look at that. The perfect sushi roll. All the ends have got sealed well. Everything's packed in together. I'm really happy with my sushi roll. This is the second time in my life I'm rolling it. Okay, now the time is to cut it. Take a sharp knife, take a damp, wet towel. Keep it on the side. Every time you cut one slice, you will need to take your knife and clean it on the damp towel. This helps to keep your sushi rolls, when you're cutting them, really sharp and neat. It's a very important step. The roll I'm making, I think I should get out about 8 pieces. And with each time I cut the roll, I make it a point to clean that knife again. And I'm trying to keep them as equal as possible. And yeah, I think I've got about 8 out of this sheet. Now just pick them up and drop them there. Just lift and place. Lift and place. Just look at them. I don't know, as I'm making them, I'm so happy with what I'm watching, because they're so well, neatly packed, no leakage, nothing popping out, easy to handle, absolutely wonderful. There you have it. Your amazing sushi roll. Keto, low carb. What more can I ask for? Wow. Okay, so now what I'll do, I've just took a plate and I've plated it. I've put all the rolls in there, 8 rolls, my soya sauce which has the wasabi paste, and my pieces of ginger. This is Japanese pickled ginger, goes beautifully with it. And so here goes my taste test. Unbelievable. I can't believe I made sushi. That in itself was a feat. And to top it, low carb keto sushi. What a dream. This is truly a dream come true for me. So here's my plate of sushi. And that's my ginger. Goes on top of one piece. I dip it in my soya, and I put wasabi in the soya. Whoa, check that out. Oh my God. I don't know where to look or what to do. Try this recipe and tell me if you'll ever find any difference between real sushi, I mean as in the rice sushi, and this. Low carb, keto, sushi rolls. You can have as much as you please. Absolutely unbelievable. I'm having another piece, and trust me on this one, I'm going to be finishing this whole plate after I put the video off, because I can't wait. That's my meal. I'm going to make another roll and have that too. This is truly a dream come true for me. So try the recipe and let me know what you felt. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. Help me to grow, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll know whenever my next videos are coming. So bye then, take care, see you.